4 weeks pregnant guide. 4 weeks pregnant symptoms. What are the symptoms of 4th week pregnancy? Once you get the pregnancy test positive, you may also start observing some typical symptoms of pregnancy. This is happening due to the pregnancy hormones which quickly increase inside your system. These symptoms will be vaginal spotting. If you see light bleeding from your vagina, then don't worry. This is because the embryo has implanted itself in the uterine walls. Bloating. You may feel a little swollen or puffed up. This is happening due to the hormones inside your body. Slight cramping. During 4th week pregnancy, you may experience mild cramps in your tummy. This is happening due to implantation. As the embryo implants itself to the walls of the uterus, you will have slight pain. But for any heavy pain, you must consult your gynaecologist. Mood swings. Your mood may go haywire because of the imbalance of hormones inside your system. It is seen that for the first 12 weeks mood swings are common. Later, they will subside as the hormone levels start to settle. Morning sickness, the most common symptom which is associated with pregnancy in movies and daily soaps. Most of the women will experience this at some point in their pregnancy. Generally, you feel nausea and vomiting feelings. Tiredness. As your body is working very hard for that little embryo to turn into a fetus, you will feel a lot of fatigue. Tender breasts. Boobs start to become sore and tender. This is happening because of the pregnancy hormones again. Common problems during 4th week pregnancy. What are the common problems you will experience in the 4th week of pregnancy? Week 4 of pregnancy is the starting of the embryonic period of a baby. This means that baby's organs have begun to develop. During this time, your baby is very tiny and very delicate. So you must be completely away from alcohol, drugs, tobacco, etc., which can cause problems in its development. You will also face morning sickness problems which can make you spend most of your time in the bathroom. But there is nothing much to worry about. Talk to your doctor if you have any problem. 3. Precaution/warning during week 4 of pregnancy. What precautions should you take during week 4 of pregnancy? Since this is the beginning of your pregnancy, you will face morning sickness, nausea, and other symptoms. Take care of your health and don't worry since it is normal. However, make sure to eat foods rich in fiber which will help you to relieve any symptoms of constipation. Sprouts, spinach, cereals, legumes, etc. Do exercise regularly to make sure your system functions effectively. You can also join a yoga class which will help you to focus and concentrate. Make sure to tell the trainer that you are pregnant. Drink a lot of water, which is 2 to 3 liters every day. If drinking water is boring, then try freshly squeezed fruit juices. Meditate if you feel, because it is very helpful in pregnancy. Focusing on positivity and keeping your mind stress-free is very important. Having thoughts and fears about the baby being free of any abnormality are common. Keep them at bay and don't panic. Take enough rest and increase your sleeping hours if possible. Your body is going through a lot of hormonal and physical changes, so it is important for you to sleep peacefully. Maintain hygiene in the vagina. Since the estrogen levels in the body are high, women are prone to suffering from yeast infection. Avoid drinking coffee as it has a presence of caffeine which can cause birth defects. Remember that caffeine is also present in soft drinks, tea, chocolates, etc. Stop eating processed foods because it will decrease your immunity and increase unwanted weight. This may affect your sugar and blood pressure levels. Stop smoking completely. Passive smoking is also harmful as it can cause breathing issues in the child. Consuming alcohol in any form can affect your baby. No amount of alcohol has been proved safe, so it is best to avoid it. It causes abnormalities in child and birth defects. Avoid wearing tight dresses and heels. It is time to wear comfortable, Loose clothing and shoes which are flat and avoid any falling incidences. Don't travel long distances. During early pregnancy, there are the highest chances of miscarriage.